Congratulations guys, a lot of you have reached out to me that you have got an admission at MDI Gurgaon and you're confused if you should go to MDI Gurgaon or not. Well, I cannot choose for you which college you should be joining, but I can definitely, being from MDI Gurgaon, the 2 years PGPM program, can tell you 12 things which I found truly unique about MDI Gurgaon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the MBA Guinea Pig. My name is Urvashi Jain. I'm a very proud alum of MDI Gurgaon. I make videos on everything MBA, how I prepared for CAT, my life at campus, and then things I've been doing after passing out. So if those are the kinds of things which interest you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, because your support motivates me to take out time and make more and more videos for you guys. And today's topic is 12 things which I truly found amazing about MDI Gurgaon. Very first point that I would begin with is that MDI only took in students based on merit. That is, you have to clear the CAT, there is a general cutoff for everybody, and then you have to sit for the interview process, and that's how you get into the college. Therefore, in my 2 years of MDI, we never really had discussions around which category, which quota, what kind of a background did anybody come from. Everybody had a level playing field, an equal footing in the college, and it was a really healthy environment for discussions without any kind of discrimination at all. From there comes my second very good point about MDI, is that MDI had a very rich culture of bringing in visiting faculty to take lectures, and because we were very close to the industry, that is, our college is in the heart of Gurgaon, also very close to the corporate sector of Gurgaon, it was a great opportunity, and therefore the professors were also able to get more and more guest faculty to teach us. Now, for some of you who may not understand the importance of guest faculty are usually experts in their fields and already professionals. So while you need theory, you definitely need theory to back your beliefs when you go into the work environment. You also need people who teach you about what exactly happens in practicality at corporates, and therefore we got a very good exposure of that. And I know anybody going to MDI Gurgaon must have heard of Sanjay Bakshi sir. So Sanjay Bakshi sir was essentially, in a way, a visiting faculty. He taught us a full course in term 5 and a full course in term 6, and his lectures, his mode-based approach, his behavioral finance approach was so famous that even though I never attended the lectures, there were people telling me about what he had taught. And similarly, there was Anirban Basu sir, who taught me one lecture in our 4th trimester and one lecture in my 1st trimester. And again, the experience was that he was such a treasure trove of practical examples of what has happened in the FMCG industry and how problems were solved with very innovative solutions, that literally he took a lecture for 2 hours. Nobody literally wanted to walk out. We were very comfortable just going on and on and on with the lecture. So these are just 2 examples of the many good professors that we've had coming on campus. Life projects. Again, this is something which also happens because of the location of the college. We get very good life projects from the industry. Now, some of you may not know what are life projects. Life projects are basically projects which are floated by corporates for students, and this is apart from your summer internship. So a group of students or individuals may be selected to do a project of, say, a month or 2, and there may or may not be a stipend attached to it, but it is practical work, and therefore it is very rich for you to work on it and use in your resume, use that knowledge in your interviews. It was easy for MDI Gurgaon to come by these life projects due to its reputations, due to the contacts of his professors, and also just the ease of the location. Another important thing which I would like to mention is the competitions. We had such amazing competitions being floated on campus by other good colleges and by the industry as well. So again, there was a lot of chance for students to go beyond what they were studying in college and participate in these case study competitions, or there were other formats of competitions as well. these competitions were also being floated at, say, an IIM ABC. For example, if I talk about HUL Lime, it is floated amongst multiple top 20 colleges of India, and it's a very good chance, and it's a very good exposure to what the best minds of the country think about and come up with, the solutions they come up with. And there were multiple such competitions which were being floated on campus. We were very blessed in terms of our library resources and our study materials. So we had a very vast library. We had Bloomberg Terminal, we had a finance lab, we had access subscriptions to the best of the magazines and the best of the literary journals of the world, which made it very easy for somebody who wants to study to have access to these materials. So for example, when I went to my internship, I needed data, and therefore I used the Euromonitor extensively. You could also use these resources for your competitions, in general, for writing papers, for academic projects, etc. So it was a very rich resource to our disposal. You may not realize the worth of it sitting outside because it sounds boring, but when you're on campus, having these things at your disposal for free, as in included in your tuition, is a big thing. Our library also had a practice of sending us headlines, like top 10 headlines of the major newspapers of the country every morning, which was called, I think, a news bulletin or something. It really helped me to prepare for my interviews, because I would just open that every morning and just pick and choose the headlines which seemed really unique and I hadn't known much about before, and I would read them, and that would keep me brushed up about my GK. So there were multiple such services, and like one service which I would like to mention is कि library में AC होता था, and if nothing else we used to, because it was so hot in Gurgaon, there were times when we would literally go to the library and study just for like the air conditioning. So definitely not a point to choose the college, but a benefit which we totally enjoyed. Okay, now coming to other very important points are our clubs and committees. So you may have heard of Unnati, which was an equity-based club. There was also a club floated during my time, which was Delta, based on derivatives. There were clubs like clubs like Delphique, which invited industry professionals, and there were like discussions on very contemporary happening topics, and there was a discussion between the students. There was actual professionals from the industry sitting on those panels, and that was a very rich experience for anybody attending that. And these are just 2-3 examples. There were many such active clubs and committees which you could be a part of and really go beyond the academics and just the placement rigor. So that is definitely something you should look forward to if you're going to MDI. Another very good system that we had a buddy system. So what is a buddy system? When you join college, you get two buddies assigned to you. So for example, if I'm a second year, my profile will be matched to the profile of the incoming batch, and wherever they feel like there are some commonalities in our profile, they would patch you up with the buddy in your seniors, and they will patch you up with two buddies, so that you get perspective from two people when you're preparing for your interviews, when you're writing your resume, and for any other purpose that you may need help with. And because they match up that profile, your buddy kind of understands the questions you may have to prepare for considering your profile. So that is a very good system to help you navigate through your MBA once you enter. A very, very important reason for me to join MBA Gurgaon was the exchange system. And I was always used to be dreaming about going to a very good college and then going to the exchange trip, which is I went to Europe for 3 months, and this exchange trip overlaps with the time just when IIM ABC IKL go for their exchange. So therefore you have a lot of Indian students roaming about the bouts of Europe, and therefore you can always tag along with each other. It's not like you have to hang out with your college people only. सबका कॉलेज अलग अलग कंट्री में होता है, तो यू हैव टू कीप मेकिंग ग्रुप्स टू गो ऑन दीज ट्रिप्स, एंड इट इज़ सो मच फन कि आप दूसरे कॉलेज के बच्चों के साथ भी मिलते हो, उनके साथ भी प्लान्स बनाते हो, एंड इतनी सारी डिस्कशंस होती हैं उन ट्रिप्स पे. सो प्रैक्टिकली there are so many student discounts and everything that you get during exchange that I don't think I would ever have the means and the times to go to Europe for 3 months ever again, and probably not even get a chance for a foreign education exposure to their systems ever again. So definitely something I was looking forward to, and it was way better than I had imagined it to be. All right, now moving on, we also have a very strong alumni network. Why is this point important is because, so for example, when I was preparing for my interview, I reached out to as many alums as I knew in the FMCG industry. I reached out to alums I knew within the company I was giving the interview for, and they helped me prepare, as in they told me what are the kind of questions you should know the answer to, what are the kind of expectations that you should keep from the company, what are the kind of expectations they would have from you. So the alums really reach out for you, and especially during these times. So when I open LinkedIn, unfortunately there have been cases where companies are gone down the retrenchment mode, and the alums are really reaching out for these juniors and trying to sort of, you know, get them placed into some good job, and this contact network of alums really helps you out going forward. Great faculty. Some, I wouldn't say that I like the 100% faculty that we had, and that happens nowhere, of course, but I would say that most of them were like very dedicated towards us, and they used to live on campus, so therefore they like understood also things which we were going through, and they were very since they were also living so close to the industry, it was very easy for them to, I wouldn't say it was easy for them, it was also very accessible for them to get projects with corporates, for example consultancy, freelance projects with the corporates, and therefore they also stayed in touch with what's happening in the industry, and they brought back that knowledge with them. It helped us because our professors were on campus, they were very accessible. We could always walk up to them and ask for help with our projects, with our competitions, with our internships. So for example, when I was interning, there was Jaideep sir, there was Kirti ma'am, who really helped me with my project. And similarly, when I talk to my peers at MDI, they always tell me how during some competition some faculty came to their rescue and really helped them out with their knowledge. The last point, which is absolutely my favorite, is Jhaji ke Sattu Paranthe. So we had this guy who used to come at about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the night, and we used to like call him, Jhaji aap aa rahe ho, Jhaji aap aaj aa rahe ho kya? And he was very moody. It's not like he would come every day. He would come when he wants to, and he would set up a makeshift kitchen, and वहाँ पे he used to cook सत्तू के पराठे, आलू प्याज के पराठे, and he would make tea. तो वो टी और पराठा लेके उसके ऊपर अमूल का मक्खन इतना सारा रखा होता था. वो एक राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस लगती थी रात में हमारी 1-2 बजे, एंड यूज्ड टू लाइक chat through the night eating that sattu parantha. My very last night at MDI, I made sure I go and have that sattu parantha, and I hope I get a chance to visit campus sometime again and have it. So वो था. बहुत सारे कैंपस रिचुअल्स होते हैं, आई डोंट वांट टू टेल यू राइट नाउ, अदरवाइज यू वोंट एंजॉय देम, अभी से पता चल जाएगा तो. बट मैं 1-2 चीज़ें बता सकती हूँ. जैसे एक रोड होती थी लाइफ लाइन ऑफ MDI, तो वो रोड पे सब चलते चलते सबको अपने ब्राइटेस्ट आइडियाज़ आए हैं, सारी रिलेशनशिप्स वहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई हैं, सारी गॉसिप्स उस रोड पे चलते चलते स्टार्ट हुई हैं. MDI मैराथन उस रोड पे हुआ करती थी. सो वो मतलब थोड़ी भी बारिश पड़ जाए तो सारे हम बच्चे बाहर उस रोड पे निकल आते थे. इट वाज अमेजिंग. फिर ऐसी एक चीज़ होती थी सोल किचन, तो थोड़ी अच्छी ड्रीमी नाइट्स जहाँ पे थोड़ा ठंडक हो, एक बॉनफायर लग जाती थी और उसके अराउंड सब बैठते थे. समबडी वुड स्ट्रम अ गिटार, पीपल वुड सिंग. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे रिचुअल्स थे. बिलोंगिंग टू अ कैंपस विच इज़ फेयरली ओल्ड, लाइक द PGPM प्रोग्राम हैज़ ग्रोन 27 years old now, I guess, and that is a big advantage because when the college is old तो बहुत सारे rituals होते हैं in place, and वो rituals आप enjoy करते हो, and as an alum you also take those rituals along with you, and I feel like my favorite part of MDI was those rituals. I really hope you guys also enjoy your time at MDI Gurgaon. I will also be making a video about how to tackle competitions, how to get started with PowerPoint if you really don't know how to use PowerPoint. I will be doing about how to use Excel. So if those are the kinds of things which will help you, तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल बटन दबा देना ताकि जैसे ही मैं वो वीडियोस डालूँ यू कम टू नो अबाउट इट. एंड कीप सेंडिंग मी लव इन द कमेंट्स कि तुम और क्या चीज़ पे वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो और तुम्हें क्या फील होता है ये वीडियोस देख के. इट्स ओके इफ यू वांट टू बी क्रिटिकल, दैट्स टोटली कूल विद मी. बट विद दैट, बाय बाय.